Hello, today we're going to be looking at a disability simulator, which is a Google plugin, and it is from Silktide. Silktide is a company that has created software that monitors and tracks websites for quality, marketing optimization, accessibility, compliance, privacy, and inventory to check working links within a website. Silktide has a free program called Nibbler that allows a user to simply paste in any URL to receive a percentage rating of many categories, such as mobile and disabled users, satisfaction for those users, popularity, and much more. So here we have put in cbsnews.com and run a test on that. And as you can see, they give an overall score. They tell about the rating for accessibility. So how accessible is the website to mobile users, the experience, marketing, technology, and then they give priorities for improving the website and several other categories to help the website developer know if the quality of their website. Okay, but the tool that we want to talk about today is this plugin. So for any website you want to pull up, you can, and already had that one pulled up, but we'll go do it again. This is the Disability Simulator Google plugin. You just download it and it pops up on your toolbar. So on any website, you just click this little simulator and it comes up and it shows different disabilities that some of your students may have. So for instance, if you want to look at what a student experiencing dyslexia, how that might look, you can use the slider of severity and you will see over here how the words might switch around, and it just kind of gives the educator an idea of what they can do to help students with dyslexia. Color blindness, 1 in 20, green appears weak. So that simulates that. 1 in 100, green is greatly reduced. Red appears weak. Red greatly reduced. And then in some more severe cases, blue appears weak or greatly reduced. Okay, cataract. Let me go back and turn dyslexia off. Cataracts, the amount of blur that students with sight issues might incur there. Turn that one off. Tunnel. So loss of peripheral vision and those limitations, and loss of central vision. And then blindness, the screen reader will read all of the information and all of the text on the page. So this is a great tool to bring awareness for educators that are creating media, because with the amount of digital media, communication, and other artifacts associated with online classes, hopefully this tool will help recognize roadblocks that students with disabilities face.